Hi, welcome to Carl Me When It's Ready. Today we're making Philly cheesesteak sandwiches, except doing it a little bit differently. So let's go to the kitchen and see what's going on. Okay, our peppers and onions. We have salt, pepper, some ranch buffalo seasoning, smoked Cajun powder or seasoning, and some peppered steak seasoning as well in there. I'm just going to mix this up, and then everything is to taste. I'd say about, it's to my taste, so we'll go, say about a tablespoon each, maybe a little bit more, 2 tablespoons, but that's to me. I'm going to do this all to taste, so when I get this all mixed together into the pan, I'll be back. Okay, added some garlic in here too, crushed garlic. Crazy things are all frozen together. Okay, let them do their thing. Not bad yet. Let's go check on the meat. I got a little charred, but it's okay. Looking good. Okay, and we'll be back. Okay, added some. I decided to be different. I decided to put in some sour cream and cheese. That thing, make a little creamy goodness thing going on here. And hopefully when my Jerry gets here, I can start plating up. And there it is. Doesn't look like a traditional one, but it still works. So, we'll see you next time.